Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy banana bread. First, mash 3 very ripe bananas in a large bowl. Then, whisk in 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly. Then, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix for a tender loaf. It's almost time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Next, generously grease and flour a standard 9 by 5-inch loaf pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. This ensures a beautiful, golden brown crust and a perfectly baked interior. Now for the best part, baking. Place your loaf pan in the preheated oven and bake for 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade yummy banana bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.